Hello everybody, my name is Bogdan and I'm working for Toolker. I'm going to show you how to install and configure BatchPDFAutoSigner. So the first thing to do is to download the application from our website. I'm going to put a link in the description of this video so you will know where to take it from. As you can see, I have already downloaded the zip file from the web page. So what I have to do right now is to extract the file so I can see the content. Here we have two applications. One is the setup and one is the application that we are interested in. The setup will help you configure the main application. So I'm going to run the setup to configure the application. Well, the first value here represents how much time the application should wait before checking again the folder where the new PDF files will be placed, the ones that we want to sign. So after 5 seconds it will recheck the folder. The signature position signifies where the application will put the signature in the first page of the PDF file. These values represent the bottom right corner, and if we would have wanted it in the top left corner, we would have had to put 0,0. The PDF source folder is the folder where we will put the PDF files that we want to be signed. I'm going to create a new folder on the desktop called unsigned. And select it. This the second option, the PDF destination folder path is the path where the PDF files will be placed after signing them. So the application is checking the unsigned folder in our case, and then if there are files that will take them, sign them, and move them directly to the signed folder. So this way we will know which files are already signed and which are not. I'm going to create another folder on the desktop, which is called signed, and I'm going to select it. The certificate file is your certificate file. You have to find it and select it in this here. I'm going to put mine. This signature image or logo file, maybe if you want to use your company's logo or your handwritten signature, you can select it in here, so it will be placed on the bottom of the signature information. The password for your certificate file, the one that you set when you created your certificate, your email, your city, the company name, and then these are some text that will appear on the PDF file. We decided to put them here because maybe you want to change the language, maybe you want to put them in another language or something like this. I'm going to leave them in English, and here is the entity name. It will appear also on the PDF file. I'm going to leave it like this and save the config, and I'm going to close the config. So now what we have to do is just run the application and move some PDF files in the unsigned folder, the ones that we need to be signed. Having here some documents, I'm going just to put one of them first, and then I'm going to move the other ones. The application should take care of them from now on. Just leave it there, take it from there and move it to the signed folder after signing it. In the meantime, I'm going to open the original document. As you can see now, signature is added. Now the file was moved in the signed folder. And if we are going to open the file from the signed folder, you will see that Acrobat Reader says that everything is fine. Also, you can see here that the text was placed in the file, so opening the file with any kind of PDF reader, you will see this, that the file was digitally signed and then the date when the signature was applied. And now I'm going to just leave the application open. It's opened here, and I'm going to put more files, and I'm going to put the other two files in the unsigned folder. You can continuously paste files here. The application will just recheck the folder from time to time and will sign the files and move them in the signed folder. And basically that's that. You don't have to do anything else. You just put files here in the unsigned folder, and then the application will sign them and move them to the other folder.